Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at how to create pages in UI Builder, how to add page variants, and how to use page templates to build faster. Let's start by creating a new page. I'm already inside my experience in UI Builder. If you want to know how to create an experience, watch the previous video related to how to create an experience. On the left side, in the pages and variants section, you will see a small plus icon. I will click the plus icon. Now, UI Builder gives me two options. One is create from scratch instead, another one is use templates. If you select if you select if you select create from scratch instead, it starts with an empty page. If you select use templates, that means UI Builder loads a pre-configured page for you. Here I'm clicking create from scratch instead. Here I just need to give the page a name and set the URL path. I'm giving page name as test. URL path is automatically filled from the name. Click on continue. You don't need any parameters for now, so click on looks good. Here, if you want to add any audience, like who can access this page, you can add from here by clicking add. Or if you want to create new set of audience, click on view all available audience and create new from that. Now click on create. Now our page is ready to add components and configure as our wish. Next, let's look at how to create a page variant. Variants allow you to show different versions of the same page to different users or under different conditions. To make a variant, click on plus icon and add a variant to a page. Here, you can see the list of pages, and if you want to add a variant, either you can duplicate the existing page or add a new variant so that you can create from the scratch, or you can use existing templates. For now, I'm just duplicating the existing test page, and here I'm giving a name as test2. If I want to add any audience, I can add from here. For now, I don't need any audience. Now I'm clicking on create. Our variant page is now the new variant appears under the same page, and I can open it and customize it just like any normal page. One thing we have to remember is variants use the same URL as a base page. UI Builder decides which version to show based on the audience or conditions I set. Now let's talk about page templates. Templates are really helpful when you want to build pages quickly or keep your experience consistent. When you create a new page or even a new variant, you will see the option Use Template. Here I'm selecting standard record template and giving proper name for that. Click on continue. Here there are some required parameters and optional parameters. Click on looks good. If you want to add audience, you can add here. Click on create. UI Builder loads a pre-configured page for you. Templates usually include a layout, some components, and sometimes even data resources already connected. You can customize everything afterwards, but the structure saves a lot of time. So if you are building multiple pages that should look similar, templates are definitely the easiest way to stay consistent. And that's how you create pages, build page variants, and use templates in UI Builder. These tools helps you design flexible and personalized experiences quickly. In the next video, we will dive into page layouts and start adding components. If you are finding this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video.